Are you trying to install eFootball on your Android phone but keep saying your device isn't compatible with this version? Why does this happen and how can you fix it? In this video, I'll show you the best ways to fix the eFootball not compatible problem on Android. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update Google Play Store. Open the Play Store on your device. Then, tap on your Google profile at the top right corner. Scroll a bit and tap Settings. Now, tap About. After that, tap Update Play Store. If an update is available, then update it. All system services can cause compatibility errors. Solution 2. Clear Play Store cache. This is the most common fix. Go to Settings on your device and tap Apps. Then tap See All Apps. Find the Google Play Store and tap it. Tap Force Stop. After that, go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage as this deletes local data. This fixes wrong device compatibility messages. Solution 3. Free up RAM space. If your phone has very low RAM or an older processor, the game may not support it at all. In that case, the app will not be installed even after it is fixed. eFootball requires at least 3.2 GB of free space to run, but it needs an extra 2 GB of buffer space for temporary match files. Ensure you have at least 10 GB of free internal storage. That's how you fix the eFootball not compatible problem on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching!